Dark spots are a common skin problem that can affect anyone regardless of age, gender, or skin type. These spots are often caused by an increase in melanin production due to various factors such as sun exposure, hormonal changes, or skin injury. While there are several treatments available to reduce dark spots, many individuals prefer natural remedies due to their affordability and accessibility. One such remedy is lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid, which have been shown to be effective in reducing the appearance of dark spots. In this video, we will explore how to use lemon to fade dark spots and other benefits of this versatile fruit for skin lightening and brightening. Before starting any new treatment, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. Lemon juice. Lemon juice contains high levels of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help reduce the production of melanin, the pigment that causes dark spots. The citric acid in lemon juice also plays a role in skin lightening by inhibiting tyrosinase, an enzyme responsible for melanin production. Additionally, lemon juice is astringent, which means it can help tighten the skin and improve its overall texture and tone. To use lemon juice to fade dark spots, you can apply it topically or use cotton swabs soaked in lemon juice to treat the affected areas. It's important to note that lemon juice can cause skin irritation and photosensitivity, so it's best to use it in combination with sunscreen and to avoid exposure to direct sunlight. For topical application, dilute 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of water and apply the mixture to the affected areas using a cotton swab or ball. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water. You can also use lemon juice as a face mask by applying it directly to your skin and letting it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. However, it is important to test a small amount on your inner arm first to ensure you are not allergic to the juice. Overall, lemon juice can be an effective natural remedy for fading dark spots when used consistently and in combination with other skin lightening ingredients. Lemon and honey mask. Lemon and honey are two popular natural ingredients that are often used in skincare products due to their individual benefits. Lemon juice, as previously mentioned, contains high levels of vitamin C and citric acid, which can help lighten dark spots and brighten the skin. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural humectant, meaning it helps to retain moisture in the skin. It also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe and protect the skin. When combined in a face mask, lemon and honey can work synergistically to fade dark spots and improve overall skin health. To make a lemon and honey face mask, you will need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Combine the ingredients in a bowl until well mixed and apply the paste to your face using a brush or your fingers. Avoid the eye area and let the mask sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water. This mask can help to hydrate and nourish the skin while the lemon juice works to fade dark spots. For best results, it is recommended to use this mask once a week and to follow up with a moisturizer. Remember to always do a patch test before trying any new skincare routine or product. Lemon and yogurt mask. Yogurt is another ingredient that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its various health and beauty benefits. It contains lactic acid, which is a type of alpha-hydroxy acid AHA that can help exfoliate the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Additionally, yogurt's high protein content can help repair and strengthen the skin barrier, leading to brighter and healthier-looking skin. To make a lemon and yogurt face mask, you will need 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix the ingredients in a bowl until well combined and apply the mask to your face using a brush or your fingers. Let the mask sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water. This mask can help to brighten and even out skin tone while the lemon juice works to fade dark spots. For best results, it is recommended to use this mask once a week and to follow up with a moisturizer. As with any new skincare routine or product, it is important to do a patch test before use. Lemon and almond oil. Almond oil is a lightweight, non-greasy oil that is rich in vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that can help protect the skin from environmental damage and promote a brighter complexion. It also contains healthy fats and essential fatty acids that can nourish and moisturize the skin without clogging pores. To use lemon and almond oil to fade dark spots, you can mix equal parts of each ingredient in a small bowl and apply the mixture to the affected areas using a cotton swab or ball. Alternatively, you can add a few drops of each ingredient to a diffuser and inhale the mixture as a way to brighten the skin from within. When used consistently, this natural remedy can help to fade dark spots and improve overall skin health. However, it's important to note that almond oil can cause allergic reactions in some individuals, so it's important to do a patch test before use. Additionally, it's best to store any leftover mixture in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. Lemon and cream. Heavy creams contain high levels of fat and can help to nourish and moisturize the skin. They can also help to form a protective barrier on the surface of the skin, which can be beneficial for those with dry or sensitive skin. Some heavy creams also contain ingredients such as shea butter or cocoa butter, which can help soothe and repair damaged skin. While heavy creams alone may not directly fade dark spots, they can help to improve overall skin health and create a more even skin tone. This can indirectly help to minimize the appearance of dark spots. Additionally, heavy creams can help to trap heat and increase blood flow to the skin surface, which can promote collagen production and improve skin elasticity and firmness. This can help to improve the overall texture and tone of the skin, making it more difficult for dark spots to stand out. When choosing a heavy cream to use on your face, it is important to find one that is suitable for your skin type and does not contain any ingredients that could cause irritation or allergic reactions. Look for a cream that contains ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or ceramides, which can help to hydrate and repair the skin's natural barrier. While heavy creams can be beneficial for some individuals with dry or sensitive skin, others may find them too heavy or greasy. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, it's important to choose a lightweight, non-comedogenic cream that won't clog your pores. Exposing your skin to direct sunlight can worsen the appearance of dark spots, making it important to take precautions when spending time outdoors. In addition to wearing protective clothing and seeking shade, you can also use natural remedies like lemon to help protect your skin from sun damage. Lemon's high vitamin C content can help boost your skin's natural antioxidant defenses, which can help neutralize free radicals and prevent skin damage caused by UV radiation. Additionally, lemon's citric acid can help exfoliate the skin and promote a more even skin tone, which can help minimize the appearance of dark spots. To protect your skin from the sun, you can apply lemon juice topically or use cotton pads soaked in lemon juice to treat the affected areas. You can also use lemon peel as a natural exfoliant by rubbing the peel on your skin in a circular motion. This can help remove dead skin cells and promote a brighter, more even complexion. However, it is important to test a small amount of lemon peel on your inner arm first to ensure you are not allergic to the oil. After spending time outdoors, it is important to cool and soothe your skin by applying a cold compress or taking a cool shower or bath. This can help reduce inflammation and prevent further damage from occurring. By taking these precautions and using natural remedies like lemon, you can help keep your skin healthy and minimize the appearance of dark spots caused by sun exposure. In conclusion, lemons are a versatile and affordable natural remedy for fading dark spots. From lemon juice to masks and oils, there are many ways to incorporate lemons into your skincare routine to help brighten and even out skin tone. While it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment, incorporating lemons into your diet and using them topically can be a safe and effective way to reduce the appearance of dark spots and achieve brighter, healthier-looking skin. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. If you found this video helpful, please like and share for more natural health and wellness tips. Stay healthy and take care.